The yellow light, in our experience, been an incredible way to deal with swelling and bruising, and I tried it on multiple patients, and it really works by decreasing the inflammatory cytokines. It helps with lymphatic drainage, and that we actually see in real time when the patient had one treatment and then they see decrease in the swelling, and then with a few days and then they see decrease in bruising. Usually they get one treatment immediately after the procedure, and then they get a total of 5 treatments, so 4 treatments after that every other day. People love it. They actually sometimes come and they want more treatments, and it's been a great standalone treatment for our patients even after their recovery from surgery.